2017 marked the biggest year ever for ETFs, which are low-cost funds that trade minute by minute like stocks, but are diversified like mutual funds. They're more popular than ever before. They've got a record $3 trillion in assets under management now, and new industry trends were a hot topic at one of the largest gatherings of investment advisors in the world. Pisani is in Hollywood, Florida tonight.
2,500 investment professionals descended on Hollywood, Florida to hear the latest investment advice. The keynote speaker, Vanguard's brand new CEO, Tim Buckley, emphasized that the revolution around low-cost ETFs indexed to products like the S&P 500 was going to continue and that fees would keep coming down.
The reason why active is underperforming is fees are too high. It's a very competitive business. It's tough to find excess return in a zero-sum game. You have to lower fees so more people have a chance of outperforming.
That's good news for investors, but there are worries on the horizon. The head of the New York Stock Exchange warned that one of the threats to the stock market rally was a trade war.
It'll be mostly about trade. What could go wrong with trade? Not just Brexit, but what could go wrong between the U.S. and China, or the U.S. and other countries in North America, and what's to come in the year or two ahead.
Finally, Bitcoin was a constant topic. The SEC has essentially said they will not be approving a Bitcoin ETF anytime soon, but Jan van Eck, who runs one of the firms applying for a Bitcoin futures-based ETF, said he still thought the SEC's concerns could be addressed.
Well, I think the SEC is taking a very thoughtful approach and trying to think about this, which is an entirely new asset, right? It's software. So people are trading sort of access to software-developed rights, and they're identifying all the key issues in the marketplace that we as an issuer have to engage with them to try to address these issues.
But neither Bitcoin nor fee wars nor trade wars dampen the enthusiasm of this crowd. Investors have been pouring money into low-cost ETFs of all stripes, and the investment professionals here expect that trend to continue. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani in Hollywood, Florida.